Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to track expenses in Zoho Books. Tracking expenses is important. Understanding where your business money is being spent. In Zoho Books, you can record expenses such as office supplies, travel costs, software subscription, and other businesses purchases. This helps keep your accounting accurate and makes financial reporting easier. So first open any of the browser that you prefer. And in the top there's an address bar. Type down zoho.com and enter it. And over here, once you get into this interface of your zoho.com, on the right hand side you need to go to this books here. And over here what you can do is select to this access Zoho Books. And once you reach into this interface of your books, what you can see is on the left hand side we can find to this purchases. Select to this purchases here and go to this expenses. And what you can do is if you have recorded your expenses before, you can import your expenses on the bottom. Over here you can choose your file. You can go to this next and you can find your expenses over here. You can also go to this record expense here and find your date, expense account, and your amount over here, and go to this save on the bottom. And you can also drag and drop your receipts under this upload your files. And using Zoho Books to track expense helps businesses monitor spending, organizing financial records, and improve budgeting. By recording expense, attaching receipts, and categorizing transactions, you can maintain accurate accounting. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.